Good morning, class 10. From today we will start trigonometry. Okay, first chapter of trigonometry, chapter 21, trigonometrical identities. So we have already done trigonometry in class 9. Some basic things we have already done. Now in this chapter we have to use some formula. So here we'll write formula. Formula number 1 is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is first formula. So from here we can derive two more formula, that is sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So here we have three formula. Now number 2, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta, you write tan square theta on the right hand side so that it will become positive, and left hand side will be sec square theta minus 1. So in place of tan square theta we can write sec square theta minus 1. Number 3, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So now next is reciprocal identities. You have already done in class 9. Reciprocal of sine is cosec. So sine theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, or cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. So they are reciprocal. Now when you multiply two reciprocal, answer will be 1. So sine theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Number 2, reciprocal of cos is sec. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So cos theta into sec theta is 1. Number 3, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan. They are reciprocal, and tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. So when you multiply cot theta and tan theta, answer is 1. Now next is tan theta is sine theta divided by cos theta, and cot theta, since it is the reciprocal of tan, cos divided by sine. So with the help of these formula we will solve this chapter. Now we'll start exercise 21a. Prove the following identities. Number 1, now you have to solve left hand side, okay, and you have to compare left hand side and right hand side. Answer must be same. So sec theta minus 1 divided by sec theta plus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. First you write left hand side. Now sec theta, here is sec theta, and if you see the right hand side there is cos theta. Now you have to find out the relation of sec theta with cos theta. Now we know sec theta and cos theta are reciprocal. So in place of sec theta we can write 1 by cos, because we have to prove answer in terms of cos. So in place of sec theta we will write 1 by cos a minus 1. In place of sec, 1 by cos plus 1. Here you add 1, then take LCM. LCM of cos a and 1 is cos a. So here you have to multiply by 1, and here you have to multiply by cos a. Similarly, denominator also into 1 into cos a. You'll get this line. After that you write this in the numerator, write its reciprocal. 1 minus cos a by cos a into cos a by 1 plus cos a. Cancel this cos a, 1 minus cos a, 1 plus cos a. See right hand side, it is proved. Now number 3 is 1 by tan a plus cot a is equal to cos a sin a into sin a. Copy left hand side. Now you have to see right hand side what to prove. Okay, you have to prove cos a into sin a. That means you have to convert tan a and cot a into sine and cos. You have to find the relation of tan and cot with sine and cos. So tan means sine upon cos, and cot means cos upon sine. So in place of tan we will write sine upon cos, and in place of cot we will write cos upon sine. After that, in the denominator we will take LCM. LCM of cos a and sine a is cos a sine a. Here you have to multiply by sine A, and here you have to multiply by cos A. So sine A into sine A, sine square A, plus cos A into cos A, cos square A. Now we know sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sine square A plus cos square A is 1 divided by cos A sine A. Now we will write this in the numerator. We'll write reciprocal. So this is cos A sine A proved. Now question number 4. Tan A minus cot A is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square A divided by sine A cos A. Left hand side, copy left hand side. Now same in the right hand side, if you see the right hand side, okay, it is in the term of cos and sine. Again same process, you convert tan into sine and cos and cot into sine and cos. So tan means sine upon cos and cot means cos upon sine. Take LCM. After that, sine A will be multiplied by sine A and cos A will be multiplied by cos A. So sine into sine, sine square, cos into cos, cos square. Now see right hand side. Denominator, we got denominator, but we have to change this numerator. If you see numerator, there is cos square A. We don't have sine in the numerator. So we have to convert this sine into cos. Sine square A is 1 minus cos square A. So in place of sine square A, we will write 1 minus cos square A. Minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A. Same sign, addition. 2 cos square A divided by cos A into sine A proved. Next question number 5. Sine to the power 4a minus cos to the power 4a is equal to 2 sine square a minus 1. Copy left hand side first. Now we don't have formula for power 4. Okay. So what we will do is, in place of sine to the power 4a, we will write sine square a whole square, because 2 2s are 4. Similarly, cos square a whole square. Now consider this as a and this as b. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b, a minus b. Now we know sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. In place of this you write 1. Sine square a minus cos square a. So when you multiply by 1, it will be same. Now see right hand side. On the right hand side we don't have cos. There is only sine. That means this cos you have to convert into sine. Now we know cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. So in place of cos square a, we will write 1 minus sine square a. Now minus 1 minus into minus plus sine square a. Sine square a plus sine square a is 2 sine square a minus 1 proved.